ABC
Soap Opera. Yeah.
This game is for G and Vaughn. Woo!
Alright, so this is how ABC Soap Opera is gonna go. They're gonna have a regular scene, but every new line needs to start with a different or the same, depending on what we want, letter of the alphabet. Okay, that's about it. So, let me ask the audience. What is your dream vacation? Wait, okay. Can I ask you, what is your dream vacation?
Space travel to the moon.
Space travel to the moon.
Damn.
That is also a dream vacation of mine, and
Bougie.
it will indeed stay a dream.
Audience, one last thing. Shout a letter.
I heard the letter X.
Huh? X.
X. All right, so this is ABC Soap Opera with the letter X.
X1204 stars. Master Uwe.
Yes, I can very clearly see that star. But aren't we heading right straight into it? Zoom! Let's go! Amazing plan, but isn't it getting a bit hot here?
But hotness is what I am.
Can't really handle that right now.
Don't worry, Master Uwe. I'm hot enough for the both of us.
Danger is coming up really close. Are you sure you just want to be hot right now?
Exactly, that's what we need. Danger equals hot. Hot cancels out. Hot fight fire with fire.
Fair enough. But wait, we're getting more danger signals. Don't you wanna swerve? There's a moon right there. We can land.
Fine. I guess we're gonna land on the very boring moon and not on X012 stars.
Fine. We almost died. What do you want me to do? I just want to live. It's my first mission.
Graham. Graham, vacation is your first mission. Now, what a very lonely expedition.
How did you think of me like that? We were in the academy for so many years. Ramification is one of the highest privileges we can have.
I think it was the highest privilege given to you.
I can't believe this. You know what? I'll just leave you. I'll go to the moon. You'll go to the star.
Just exactly what I need. I need my alone time because being with you is so hard for me. Because you're always gratification, and I'm just
Chill and ramification. How does that sound? How does that sound? Does it sound fun?
love it. I mean, that's exactly what I need.
perfect for gamification. No?
So yun yung dream vacation mo.
Kaya,